The reason I joined Dylan's course almost a year ago was because I had just graduated from college and I actually got in a car accident and broke my neck and obviously lost my car. So I had to replace my car, finish paying for school, and figure out how to be financially independent. And I have looked into so many YouTubers and read so many blog posts. I did the whole keyword research and made lists. I am very much the perfectionist that will research and research but not do anything. Since taking Dylan's course, it took a while for me to see a lot of results because I, again, wanted it to be perfect. I put out a few products and they did okay. I made some sales, but recently I finally took Dylan's advice to heart. I need to let go of the need for perfection and be okay with letting something flop. Since then, I have made so many more sales. You see so much more progress and so many more results when you're willing to just do your best and take the next step. Her advice has actually taught me how to understand my customer, how to find my customer and understand what they want, and then how to produce that, right? I feel like all of the information that she provides covers all bases, really. She's not like a guru like all the other YouTubers I looked into. The others felt like a get rich quick thing, but with Dylan, it feels like actual business principles. I've learned so much from Dylan and I'm so excited to see what comes as I continue to push forward. I've been loving what I learned. I'm loving the experience I'm getting and it's really made a difference for me. So thank you, Dylan.